What's going on, everyone? Rabid here with the Rabid Mining YouTube channel, and today we're looking at my 7-year-old daughter's crypto mining profits. Yes, 7 years old and mining crypto. So it was about 2.5 months ago. Some of you guys may have seen that video where I did build this gaming PC for her because she was always on my workstation and I just wanted her to have her own type of PC here. Now, most of you probably did not see that because that was right when my channel did come back into operation from when it was suspended. But now that it's back and we did not have any search and discovery at the time, it only got like 200 views. Link to that video is in the description if you do want to check it out. Maybe I'll just delete it and re-upload it. We'll see what happens. So inside of this gaming PC is a Ryzen 7 3700X CPU and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 version 2 LHR GPU. Now this computer only mines about 10 hours at night. So she does her schoolwork on it, she plays her games, and then when we go to bed and whatnot, that is when we turn these miners on. So about 2.5 months worth of mining at about 10 hours a day is the numbers we are going to look at to her own personal wallet. She has her own wallets inside of her computer here. I have all the seed phrases locked away so you know we don't lose any of her wallets, but everything she's mining is hers.
Hit that subscribe button and thumbs up.
So here she is. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi. Hi.
So yeah, this is her computer here, and this is her crypto mining profits.
Daddy, can I have the Octo Miner?
The Octo Miner? Not till you're 18 maybe. So how much Raven coin do you have?
660.
660. Let's take a look at that. Here is her Exodus wallet, and yes, 660.56. So here is her raptoreum numbers of 10,248.2. Not too bad for that CPU. Then we went from Raven coin over to Ethereum on this GPU of hers because it actually, since T-Rex did that LHR cracks here, we are getting 35 to 36 megahash on this version 2 LHR card. And she has currently mined about 0.012879 Ethereum. It is saying about $57.68 USD. So I got all these numbers, so I'm going to take them to the workstation, punch them all in, and see exactly how much she has mined on her gaming PC. Taking all the previous numbers that we looked at and I wrote them all down, I went over to CoinGecko just to get a quick number here to see how much my 7-year-old daughter actually has in crypto. And I get the question, should I mine with my gaming PC? Yes, that is how I started, and that is what she is doing right now. And as well, a lot of people can probably, relate to this because it's a nice budget type of build. So Ethereum here, it does look like USD, $57.53. Not too bad for a 7-year-old. Remember, we're from Canada, so it's even quite a bit more than this. I do have everything tallied up, and then we do the Canadian conversion here. Moving over to Raptoreum, it is looking like $470.21. So, that's a nice little bit of pocket change for a good old 7-year-old for sure. And then moving on to Raven coin, that is $72.65. And altogether, that works out to be, where's my calculator? $602.66 USD. Moving on to the Canadian conversion, she has $767.49 at the Canadian dollar. So that's actually not too bad. There we have it, guys. So just over $700 in our actual funds. So that's not bad for a 7-year-old. This thing is over half paid itself off in 2.5 months of mining for 10 hours a day. Now I am going to hook her up with one of these eventually down the road here. I do have this Trezor as well as this Ledger Nano S. So if you're unfamiliar with these are hardware wallets, and they're the safest way to store your crypto. I do have links in the description if you want to pick yourself up one. So if crypto winter or something is coming, definitely long-term storage is one of these bad boys is what you're going to need. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and bell notification to be notified for future videos. Thank you for watching. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.